Number 8. The wood floor of a community recreation center is in the shape of a square that is 200 feet by 200 feet. And I want to see a picture of it. If I can get a square that actually looks like a square. So it is 200 feet by 200 feet. You would want to make sure that those units match, and they do. If it's a square, they're going to match. If directions on a bottle of floor wax indicate that a half of the bottle will cover approximately 2,000 square feet, that's important because that tells me that I am dealing with an area problem. About how many full bottles of floor wax are needed to wax this wood floor? So the first thing I want to do is find the area of this floor. Now the area of a square is length times width, or you can say side to the second power. So area is 200 feet to the second power, and that is 200 times 200. So that's a lot. That's a 4 with 4 zeros. So 40,000 square feet. That's the area, that inside of this square. And then I'm going to set up a proportion of bottles. We're comparing bottles to square feet. And I know that a half a bottle is good for 2,000 square feet. And we have 40,000 square feet that we need to do. So I'm going to multiply 1/2 times 40,000. That's going to be 20,000. Remember, your Casio will do fractions. And then 20,000 divided by 2,000. I can cancel some zeros on this one. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. And that would be 10 here in this bottles row. So I'm going to go with answer B on this one. You would need 10 bottles of wax to do that job. I'm glad I don't have to do that job. That sounds like a lot of work.